cold kind of latte coffee that I'm really enjoying. This is the first time I do it. I put it in a mug because I don't have a glass for this kind of coffees, and it's really good. I put 4 ice cubes, 2 shots of espresso. I use the arpeggio one from Nespresso, and then just a whole milk that I had in my fridge because I'm making a recipe later on in this vlog, and I'm not gonna use the whole bottle, so I thought let me just make a coffee, and it's really nice. I have a glass straw. The ice cubes have already melted, and it's very frothy. I mean, I cannot show you. Let's do this. Oh yes. Oh. I have my mini tripod here, and yeah, I'm just experimenting with stuff. So today is gonna be a very slow day. It's raining outside, the weather is miserable, and I was about to take a shower because I'm going to the office tomorrow, and then I checked the weather and it's gonna be rainy tomorrow as well. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take a shower obviously, but I'm not gonna do my hair because if I do it and I just go out tomorrow, this is not straight. Yes, much better now. So I thought, yes, if I wash the hair and I go out tomorrow, oh, it's gonna be awful, it's gonna be too humid. So what I did is I just applied a little bit of dry shampoo powder over here where, let's say, the greasiness starts to show, at least for me. This time I remember to, you know, work it through my hair. I'm gonna work it a little bit more later, so I think this is going to be fine. So I'm super happy because I don't want to be washing my hair more often than usual, and I don't want to wash it, especially when I know that the weather is going to be really bad. This straw is quite thick, like when I'm trying to, it feels a little bit awkward, but I like it because it is reusable and it's environmentally friendly. And earlier on I started doing my nails. I just smudged 2 nails, so I have to do them again. So this is how it looks. Or my dishwasher has just stopped. I try to do my nails myself, so I don't waste money, I don't waste time going to a salon. And I wanted to share with you the nail polish I'm using. It's no brainer. It's a very like minimalistic, classy one from Essie, ballet slippers. This is kind of a brand new, so you know when you open it, oof, it feels fresh and it feels so good. My lips are very dry, and I had a sticker earlier on because I thought something was coming out on my lip, so I just wanted to cover it and protect it. It's kind of fine, but they're very dry. I'm gonna apply a little bit of my Summer Fridays, can't see, lip oil. This one is licking big time, so I just keep it on my desk here at the office, home office, and I apply it when I'm at home. It's very messy, so I don't carry it in a bag, but it is fine. It's almost finishing. And then this lip butter balm, also from Summer Fridays, finished, and I cut it open and there was so much product. As you can see, I have half of it on the desk again, and I'm just applying a little bit. And I also had a little pot from an eye cream, and I just put the remaining product, and it was a lot. So if you have any products like this on tubes and you squeeze them and you feel like it's finished, it's gone, cut it open and you'll be amazed by how much product there is still there. So I showed you my powder, I showed you nail polish. What I'm going to do now is just apply some eye masks. These ones are from Amazon. They have retinol, collagen, they smooth puffy eyes, dark circles, and I'm sorry, but there is a typo here. I'm not sure about this product. I mean, okay, let me show you. I don't think you can see, but let me tell you, they have spelled the word wrinkles, wrinkles with an A after the W. I mean, I think that in general in Amazon, I think there are some dodgy, I don't know, businesses, products. So this is the last time that I purchased something like that, skincare wise, from Amazon, but I'm not gonna do it again. But I love these eye patches. They're a little bit slippery. Let me show you. Ooh. But I love the texture and how moist they are. But once I applied fast, they're super slippery. So I'm trying to do this. I'll have to try and fit it properly, but I just wanted to show you how it looks. I mean, if you are happy ordering something from Amazon like that, you can do so. But you can see it's quite moist. There's a lot of product in here. So I'm just gonna finish this pot, and I'm not ordering this again. If you know any good eye patches like this but not super expensive, you can always recommend this to me. Okay, I'm just gonna carry on with my coffee and do some work on the laptop, and I'll catch you later.